Gabather is a Swedish biotech company. We work within drug discovery and development for novel medicines. We're targeting the central nervous system, i.e. neurology and psychiatry. And the market that we target is basically the licensing departments of major middle-sized pharma for our first project, and then able to continue to drive our projects towards the market on our own steam, so to speak. GT002 is our most advanced asset. It's gone through 3 clinical trials now in healthy volunteers. Has a very favorable profile regarding safety, regarding tolerability, and it's a new molecule. It targets a known target in the brain for CNS disorders, and it has advantages regarding what's already on the market, regarding its pharmaceutical development. It's orally available twice daily with the pharmacokinetics that we have, which makes it very attractive, and it's a new way of interacting with the receptor. So it's basically an innovative medicine on a traditional platform, and I think that's a nice combination. So GT002 has gone through 3 clinical trials in healthy volunteers. So we are at the very edge of starting trials in patients for next year, which is the key moment we're in now. And those trials and the data that we have now, they're the key for commercialization. In our case, it will be looking for a partner for licensing to drive the project further into phase 3 trials and eventually to the market. That's roughly where we are right now. So it's an interesting time. The proceeds from the current rights issue, we want to use primarily to focus on the clinical trials in patients with GT002, in the parallel that we're talking to partners, of course. But the more we can do on our own steam, the stronger we stand, also in discussions with potential partners. Then we want to continue, of course, with our pipeline development. We have other molecules in 002, other candidates we want to develop. We haven't had a chance to so far. And of course, we want to continue the operations also at business development level to getting a partner. So for those proceeds, we want to use to actually achieve the goal that Gabather had since its very inception, which is to get new medicines to the patients with a partner. Reason number 1 would be, of course, that we've just proven that we be able to drive the project onto the licensing stage with the trials in patients next year. Will be very interesting to get revenue into Gabather from a licensing agreement in the next year with GT002. Reason number 1. Reason number 2 is we can do more. We have other candidates. We are literally a bench to bedside company. We can produce our molecules ourselves. So we have compounds in the pipeline that are interesting for long-term investment. And last but not least, third reason is that we're actually working to develop innovative medicines in an area where you have a huge unmet medical need, which is mental health. And I think it can be of interest and value to anybody to invest to drive this research forward.